Hi, kiddos, and welcome back. Let's review your lessons for the week of May 26th through May 29th. Again, we have a shortened week because of the holiday weekend. Monday, technically, actually Friday and Monday, no school. So your lessons were shortened this week, and we'll shorten them again next week because technically there's no school Monday. Let's take a look at what we're doing for language arts. We are going to review Greek roots, and we did a little bit of that in Zoom on Wednesday. You will be able to determine the meaning of unknown and multiple meaning words and phrases using common Greek roots as clues to the meaning. Again, you just have to click that Nearpod link and it'll take you right there. Also, we're going to be taking a look at cause and effect relationships in nonfiction texts. This is a review again also. So I can explain the cause and effect relationships between two or more individuals, ideas, or concepts in nonfiction text. So again, you're going to click that Nearpod link and it should take you right to the Nearpod. Please remember to answer all the questions, submit your work, and turn in your work at the classroom assignment section on our Google Classroom, okay? Math, I'm going to remind you to go to your own math teacher's Google Classroom page because they will have listed your lessons for the week there. Also, my class, I have an explanation of the lessons as well on our Google Classroom. This week, we're bouncing back to social studies, and we're going to be looking at the early English settlements. So before the 13 colonies actually got going, there were colonists that came from England and discovered many things. One of them being, or many of them being, that it was a challenge for them to live here. So what we're going to be looking at as I can describe the challenges faced by the first English colonists. And you can just click that link there. Again, make sure you answer all the questions, submit your work in Nearpod, and turn in your assignment at Google Classroom classwork page. I'm going to remind you to go to your specials Google Classrooms and do their assignments, okay? They're there as well. Our lessons for the week are due on Friday at 3:30. I'll be posting the following week, Friday as well. Again, this is just an overview of how you might get your lessons done, but I want you to get them done, work it out, time management-wise, whichever way works best for you. If you want to come back to this page and hear my lovely voice again, all you have to do is click this overview of the week. Monday is a holiday, so there will not be a Zoom meeting on Monday, but we will have one on Wednesday. And I'm thinking we'll be looking at colonial America. I think we're going to be doing a field trip for colonial America. But check the agenda page. I'll try to post it early so you can see what's happening. Okay. And just as a reminder, as directed by Mr. Wygo, because it's a holiday week, your lessons have been shortened in length and the time it should take you to get them done. Okay. But if you need, work it out however you want to work it out. But they're due on Friday at 3:30. Okay. Extra resources. Library has them here till the end of the year written out. Accessing books online. Extra optionals are here. And remember the summer reading list for Paxton I will be posting on our Google Classroom page, so you can access that there. And I think that is it. So if you're listening to this before the Memorial Day weekend, I hope you have a great weekend. If you're listening to it Tuesday morning, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. So I will see you on Wednesday. If you have any problems or questions, remember to send me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, see you guys Wednesday.